Hello, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to share Team Bulldozer income program posts to your Facebook timeline. So before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. And if you know that you have not registered on Team Bulldozer income program, go to the description of this video below. You will see the steps to register your account with Team Bulldozer income program. Now, if you want to share your Team Bulldozer income program post to your Facebook timeline, what you need to do is to log into your account. Once you log in, scroll down here, come to content share. This is content share here. Click on it to open. Okay, once it opens, you scroll down. Wait, let me tell you this. I'm not going to earn from this post because I have already shared it. Okay, I'm just showing you how to do this. Now come to the current date because you are going to share the current date. What you need to share is the current date. Now come here, click on it. Okay, download this image, long press it. Okay, you click download. Okay, once you download it, you scroll down here, copy this text here. Okay, copy this text, copy. Now you come to Facebook, go over to Facebook, okay, add your image, okay. Now paste the text you copied. Do you understand? Once you paste it, okay, just click post. I don't want to post this because I have already done it. Okay, so once you post it, you go back to the site. Okay, once you are back here, come here, click here to earn 200 points. Click here to earn 200 points. Okay, just click it, wait for it to open. Okay, wait for it to open. Click deny here. Okay, wait for it to load. Now you need to click this skip ad here. Okay, once you click it, once you click it, let me redo this, please. Let me redo it. Okay, let me redo it. Just keep watching. Okay, okay, now click the skip ad. Once you click the skip ad, wait for it to open. Okay, now here you need to click allow to continue. Okay, as you can see, please press allow to continue. Just hold on, there is something that is going to show up here. Just wait. Okay, make sure to click this allow do not click block, please. Okay, just click allow. It will take you back to the site. Okay, as you can see here. Now if you want to check if your earnings has been added for you, just click my account. Okay, this is your activity points. Okay, this is your activity points. This is where your sharing points are being added for you. So if you want to know how to share your Team Bulldozer income program post to your Facebook timeline, follow this procedure. Okay, follow this procedure. If you like this video, give us a thumb up. Most importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Okay, if you have not registered with Team Bulldozer income program, go to the description of this video. You will see the steps to register. Okay, it is very easy. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.